Located in the beautiful hinterland area of Brunswick Heads in northern New South Wales, Pacific Nurseries is a large-scale wholesale nursery that grows and supplies plant stock to the landscape, mining and infrastructure industries. Our experienced management team is dedicated to improving the procurement process with our clients and to deliver a unique product. Our clientele include councils, landscape contractors, landscape architects, civil contractors, revegetation companies, mining companies and retail nurseries. At the start, we source local seeds and each species has a different pre-treatment process. Then we use the Blackmore seeder machine, one of the most dependable seeders on the market. Depending on the seeds, we have two ways to put them in the plug trays. The first way is to put seeds in by hand. The second way is to use the Blackmore seeder machine. It is more accurate, but only specific seeds can be used. Once the seeds are in the plug tray, we top it up with vermiculite to help maintain the moisture. Then we put all the plug trays in the germination chamber. It's a closed chamber that provides an optimum humidity and temperature control to help start seedlings. Providing the optimal growing environment can decrease germination times and improve germination rates. Once the seeds germinate, we can transfer all plug trays into the hothouse. Using mobile benches helps prevent double handling and seed disturbance. The space is optimised and helps us to place them out where we want. Our hothouse has sensors that detect the temperature and humidity and automatically adjust them 24 hours a day. It is heated in winter and ventilated all year so that plants that need protection from wind, sun, rain or cold weather can grow. After the hothouse, we will use the Elipot machine to grow smarter. This means optimising our production and minimising plastic. A smarter propagation ensures healthier and faster root development, with more uniform plants while improving crop timing and reducing plant shrink. The benefits? Faster and healthier root development, shorter production cycle, increased wet-dry cycles, reduced plant shrink, and higher uniformity of plants. The Elipot machine will prepare trays with 32 tubes and we will transplant plugs into those tubes. The last step is to transplant those new trays outside onto raised benches and let them grow until ready for sale. All stock is monitored daily and undergoes pest and disease identification and treatment to ensure a quality product. We set up the irrigation system inside the pump house with fertiliser injection. Sprinklers are separated into 4 different stations and run on a cycle automatically twice a day if not raining. Pacific Nurseries has a lot of automatic systems that need power even out of working hours, so a backup generator is set up to automatically start if the power shuts down. With an average rainfall of over 1800 millimetres per year, the nursery is set up to take in the optimal growing conditions of the local climate. The eco-friendly irrigation system is set up to capture the rainwater and recycle the used water. All water is stored in a main water tank as well as 2 underground water tanks and a dam. Once all water tanks are full, the overflow is sprayed uphill to get naturally filtered before getting into the dam downhill. We created a natural filtration system by increasing an already existing natural spring. This clean water can be resent back uphill to the main water tank during dry periods. Born from a desire to provide a sustainable service with quality seed procured locally from project locations and environmentally friendly plastic-free plant stock, Pacific Nurseries is committed to thinking outside the square when it comes to traditional plant growing techniques and delivery.